Hello and welcome to Coaster Gents, and today we're going to Hollywood Studios during a hurricane. So today is Sunday the 4th of August and a huge hurricane is on its way to Florida and all the theme parks are still open. The winds are really picking up, the rain is brutal, but I haven't got long left, so I'm just going to go to a park. All the queue times for all of them are really quiet and I haven't been to Hollywood in a few days, so I'm going to head there, do Tower of Terror, finally get on Mickey and Minnie's and just see how much I can get. I've only got about 4 or 5 hours until the park closes, so we'll see how it goes really. Fantasmic definitely won't be on because the hurricane's really getting picking up, so we'll see. So let's head to Hollywood Studios. So the time is 6:30 exactly. I've looked at the app, Tower's on nothing. Both Star Wars are on 10, Mickey and Minnie's is on 10, Slinky Dog's on 40. I'm like, let's see how many rides I can get done. So the park is really emptied out. There's hardly anybody here. There's still a lot of people, but for Hollywood, this is like nobody. Also, the Halloween stuff is all in the shop. But yeah, look how empty this is. Heading straight to Tower then while it's on a 13-minute queue, which basically means nothing. It'll probably just be queued through the boiler room and that's about it, which is so worth it for Tower of Terror. Tower of Terror complete then. Took way longer than I thought it would because the queue was actually 20 minutes, not 13, but that's absolutely fine. It's still worth it. It's my favourite ride. So Mickey and Minnie's has gone up to 15 from 10. So I'm going to do that because I haven't actually done it since I got here at the start of June. And it's now August. So I'm going to go and do that while it's only on 15. And then I'll have a look at tackling both the Star Wars rides. And yeah, it should be good. The winds are picking up now. Can you see it in the trees? And it's still raining and it's horrible weather, but yeah, it's getting really windy now. It's scary but exciting.
We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park. Hi, folks. Hello there. Hey, Mick and Liam. Boys and girls.
So beautifully together. Now, let's
Mickey and Minnie's done then. And the reason I can't show my face on the vlog at the moment is because the wind is really strong, so I'm having to talk straight into the microphone. And so I can show you what the weather's looking like, because it's supposed to be a big hurricane that's coming up on Florida. Oh, that's my umbrella's blown inside out. A big hurricane is on its way to Florida very soon. I've had an email to say that I need to prepare for the storm, and it is quite scary, but you know, I haven't got many days left, so I want to make the most of the parks and I want to share what Hollywood Studios is like before a hurricane. Oh my gosh. Here we go then. I'm gonna enter a galaxy far, far away, and hopefully the hurricane's not on Batu, but I have a feeling it might be, so I'm going to head to Millennium Falcon and do single rider for that. Even though it's only on 10 minutes, it just might be quicker in single rider. And then I've heard that Rise the Resistance single rider queue has gone. So I'm going to go and investigate that because it's on a 35-minute now. So we'll see what that's on. This area is dead. It's so empty. It's really cool actually with it all being wet. That's how the Imagineers described it in the Imagineering story when they first designed it. and I compared it to the markets in Istanbul, and they were like, oh, the wet tiles. So this is really cool actually, and I can't feel the wind because obviously there's buildings. But I might get a Star Wars coffee while I'm here because I absolutely love it. So I'm going to be on my own in the Falcon, which is going to be fun. I don't know how I'm going to fly, but yeah. Falcon all done then. I didn't get to ride on my own in the end. I got put with a family, which is a shame, but never mind. It was still really good. Still enjoyed it, even though the two pilots I was with could not fly to save their life. But yeah, it's really cool. I'm gonna go and do Rise the Resistance now because it's dropped down to 10 minutes. Hurricane season. Bad for weather, bad for mood, bad for vibes, but amazing for queue times. Not Rise the Resistance being 10 minutes. The e-ticket ride at Walt Disney World. Oh my gosh, I don't know if you can hear the wind on camera. I haven't got my umbrella up, so it's getting wet.
The escape pod's just for us! Wait, why are you going up? I said down, up is bad. Up is real bad.
Rise of the Resistance complete. And now I'm not sure what to do next. I've got 45 minutes till the park closes. Or I could get a bus to Magic Kingdom, which doesn't close till 11 o'clock. So that means I'd get an extra 2 hours and 45 minutes of hurricane rides. But I am absolutely soaked and cold because this wind with being wet, it makes the Florida like climate really cold. Like I've got a Spirit jersey on and I'm a bit like, it's a bit nippy. It's definitely not cold compared to England, but it's quite not hot is the word to use. So yeah, let's carry on round. But the wind is unreal, like you can see all the trees blowing. Just having a walk down Sunset Boulevard because Tower looks unreal in this weather. Wow. So I'm going to push my luck and try and get to Epcot within 25 minutes to watch Luminous. Done some more shopping because you know that's what I do, and it's all Halloween. And yes, I'm going to try and get to Epcot as quick as I can. I've got 25 minutes till Luminous starts, 25 minutes till the gates close. So we'll see how I get on. To front. I'm so glad I made it to Epcot with 4 minutes to spare. Never done the Skyliner at night, and France is looking beautiful. So ready to see Luminous again. I absolutely love the start of it. This is going to be really cool watching Luminous. First of all, from a different place, because I always watch it at port of entry. So I'm going to be watching it from either France or UK. Starts in just 2 minutes and the wind is really strong. So this is going to be a really unique way of seeing Luminous Symphony of Us. So I just watched Luminous and it was as cool as I thought it was going to be because there was no fireworks. It was just lights and music and fountains. So it was a completely different way of seeing it. And yeah, I loved it. just heading through the boardwalk now to get to the bus.
Parfait, Friday.
Thank you. So glad you approved.